Hi everyone. This video will guide you on how to add or pin Show Desktop icon to Windows 11 taskbar. By default, Windows 11 includes a Show Desktop button that sits in the far right corner of the taskbar. This tiny button is used to activate the peek feature and also helps you to see the desktop without minimizing all opened windows. When you hover the mouse cursor over this button, all opened windows become transparent so you can view your desktop wallpaper and icons. However, Microsoft has not provided any option to remove this button, but if you want, you can remove the Show Desktop button using a third-party freeware application, 7+ Taskbar Tweaker or Show Desktop Remover. However, if you use this button for the peek feature or to see the desktop while working with multiple windows, but this button is too tiny to click, you can also add this button, Show Desktop button, to your Windows 11 taskbar. Here is how to do it. How to pin or add the Show Desktop icon to Windows 11 taskbar. To add or pin the Show Desktop icon to the Windows 11 taskbar, right-click on the free space on the desktop and select New, and then the shortcut option. Then, copy and paste. %window%\explorer.exe shell, : 3080F90DD7AD11D9BD980000947B0257. In the location box under the Create Shortcut wizard. Please note you can copy the shortcut command from this video description. Now, click the Next button. After that, set the name of the shortcut, Show Desktop. When you're done, click the Finish button. Once done, a Show Desktop shortcut icon will appear on the desktop. That's it. You've done it. Now drag this Show Desktop shortcut icon to the taskbar or right-click on it and select Show More Options. Then, in the classic context menu, select the Pin to Taskbar option. That's it. Let me know via comment how this video is. Do you like more videos? Subscribe to our channel Garip Windows. Goodbye. See you in the next video.